Hi, I'm Courtney Evans with Mother Earth Products. Everybody knows that freeze-dried fruits and vegetables are good for you, but most people don't know how they taste. So a couple of months ago, we attended an event in LA where we had lots of celebrities taste and try our products. And one of the favorites at the show was, of course, our strawberries. Well, we knew that the strawberries would be a big hit, as well as some of our other fruits. But why don't we take a look and see how well those celebrities liked the strawberries.
Help yourself.
Like bananas, there's some bananas over there, strawberries,
Pineapple.
samples and stuff.
Please help yourself.
Strawberries are the popular one.
Everybody knows strawberries. What? Try. Help yourself.
You gotta wait on good.
Thank you. Awesome.
Yeah.
No sugar, all natural. You don't have to feel guilty about eating as much as you want.
Oh, I make me happy.
Yeah. Those look great.
And then you can also make them into like shots.
That's awesome.
So it's not real good. We'll try tonight. One offering. Back. Oh, okay. 5 strawberries. I'm a secret baddie. You can also make it into a soup. There's a soup table right at the end there. I think I'll stick to my strawberries. Yeah. You can take a couple more, Sam. Good. And my other favorite is the strawberries. If you like fruit, strawberries good. So good.
I will.
All right. Well, we also have the snacks over here, so those are light.
This is what I love.
Okay. All right.
Now those were some very positive reactions to the strawberries. Well, in addition to our strawberries, we have lots of vegetables. We have peas and we have, of course, broccoli. And most people wouldn't think that this tastes very good, but I knew that it tastes very good because I love the broccoli. So let's take a look at some of the reactions, surprising reactions to the broccoli.
Well, the thing that I like is that, especially about the broccoli, is if I don't have time to cook, I'm one of those people that I won't take time to cook. My boyfriend will cook, but I won't.
Right.
So I like to grab and go.
Right.
And so all I grab and go are nuts all the time.
Okay.
But it'd be great to grab and go some actual green
Some vegetables
stuff.
with the nuts.
So
the
like
protein.
the broccoli and that. I mean, I'm used to dehydrated fruit, but I'm trying to stay away from that. But the dehydrated vegetables,
Okay. Okay. Excellent.
super.
It's like broccoli.
It's like broccoli.
I love broccoli.
I think you'll love that.
So good. I know.
This broccoli. Here we go.
You want to stock up on these?
You're gonna be surprised.
Yeah, you can grab some products.
I'm very surprised. That's awesome.
Now those were some pretty impressive reactions. One of the things that we hear all the time from parents is the difficulty that they have to get their kids to eat healthy and eat their vegetables in particular. Well, kids love our vegetables. They love our peas, they love our broccoli, they love our carrots. And why don't we take a look at some of the kids' reactions to some of our products.
Alright, we'll try both of these.
Okay. I will.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. I like it a lot.
You guys do like, it's all freeze-dried fruit, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's all natural, yeah.
And vegetables? Wow.
Yeah, these, we have all kinds of stuff that's not here.
These? I don't think I've ever liked vegetables more.
No, wait
Wow.
for you to eat them.
Yeah. Broccoli? Wow.
You like everything. Oh my god.
This is good, like seriously. What? Mother Earth product?
Yes. There's flies.
Yeah, this is an incredible product.
Yeah, yeah,
I love
it's
this.
and it's all healthy,
Yeah,
all
it is.
natural. You can eat as much as you want, not feel guilty, and the shelf life minimally.
It's definitely like a
5 years.
It's a real it's a healthy snack. Like
Right, a healthy
It
snack.
keeps you full. You're not
Right.
gonna feel sluggish afterwards. I love it.
And then my set, you guys like pineapple?
I do. I love
Okay,
pineapple.
this is freeze-dried pineapple. That's even better than the strawberries. Try that one. Okay, so your brother and sister. Aren't those the best?
Oh my god. So good.
Oh my god.
Now how about those kids? We all know that all parents want their kids to snack on healthy and nutritious foods, and Mother Earth Products foods are perfect for snacking. Also at the show, we had some gourmet soups that we had prepared especially for those celebrities. And we used our vegetable soup mix as a base for those soups. And why don't we take a look at the reactions of the celebrities to the soup that we prepared for them.
That one? Yeah. They said make soup for me. I said okay. Whoa! Like that? That's killer.
Very good. Yeah. Very good. It's your creation. Very good. Love this. It's great.
I love this. I know it's yummy. I'm really hungry.
What's that?
Sweet potato and apple.
I'll take sweet potato and apple.
Goat cheese? Oh, on top?
It's good. What's that, bacon? I'll take bacon. Chives, yeah, I'll take some chives. I love them. It's good, right?
As you can see, everybody loved our soup mix. Now, in previous segments of this video, we featured individual products and people tasting those individual products. Why don't we take a look at various people with various opinions tasting various products.
That's pretty damn good. Try it. Look at it. It's in there. That's what this is. Look at that.
What is that, strawberry?
Yes.
Dried
Do you like vegetables at all? He said put it in champagne. Do you like broccoli? How about broccoli?
My daughter would, not me though.
You like broccoli? No. Yes. Try it. Give me some. Broccoli. Broccoli. Believe it or not. Broccoli. No, that's pretty damn good. And right, exactly. All the nutrition's there. Shelf life.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to introduce now President.
You guys like broccoli? You like broccoli? I do. You'll be blown away.
Right next to it.
Nobody grabs the broccoli.
Everyone, here she is, ladies and gents. The Babushka.
Give it a minute.
In the house. So good. So good to have him with us.
Not bad. And I feel healthier inside.
Wow.
You got some free samples.
Cherries.
Oh, is this cherry?
Yeah, those are cherries. You may go ahead and take those.
Those are great. Wow.
Like cherry? Which one do you have?
Freeze-dried strawberry.
You like vegetables?
I do. I love vegetables.
Try the broccoli. You're going to be pleasantly
Really?
surprised. Yes. Give it a minute. It's
No,
going to hit you.
no, it's good.
Like when the end comes, like, can you put them in my soup?
There's soup mixes and all.
They're really good.
Which one do you have?
I had the broccoli.
Oh, yeah.
What is this piece?
Yes.
May I try the piece?
Yes, you can try whatever you like. You're going to be pleasantly surprised.
They're on the scared.
I don't eat vegetables.
That way you'll eat vegetables. I can eat that broccoli like that all day.
Oh, wow.
Yes, exactly.
It's good.
Exactly.
So they have a,
So,
I'm going to try
Yeah,
strawberry.
try as many as you want.
Lifespan of like 5 years. Chicken bites. We got it
Yeah, this is textured vegetable protein, so it's vegan, vegetarian. This is just one of the flavors we have. We have ham, bacon, pepperoni, sausage. We have all those
You guys
online.
can sample as much as you like.
Yeah, please, dig in.
So banana, pineapple.
You can grab a bunch of those, put them in your bag.
Oh, thank
Please
you.
take them.
Yay. Try some chicken here.
Let me know what you think of the chicken.
It's like a chicken jerky.
Ooh, I love it. It's so good, yeah. Good stuff right here. Great stuff. Perfect car snack. LA traffic will save your life.
He is Adrian Sparks, everybody. Adrian Sparks, give him a round of applause in the house.
They're really good.
Papa himself, welcome home.
I bet you wish you had some peas. You can't have them. They're mine. But you know where to get them? Talk to these people right here.
As you can see, everybody loves the taste of Mother Earth products. Our products are healthy, nutritious, they're great for cooking, camping, long-term storage. What's there not to like? Have you tasted Mother Earth products? Get yours at motherearthproducts.com.